Hello, this is Julie with BoxCuts.com. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use our templates in Cricut Design Space. Upload images, upload vector, browse, select the template. It will display here. Click Save, and then it will display to the left of your screen. Occasionally, nothing will display in this box. If that should happen, send us an email at support@boxcuts.com or use our contact form. I do not know why this happens, but if we simply resave the file, it's then able to be uploaded into Cricut Design Space. So if you send us the information of the template that you purchased, we will be more than happy to send you a new file. I'm going to click the image, click Insert Image, and at the moment the SVG templates are coming in black. Just need to click on that box and change the color to a lighter shade. That will allow you to see the dotted cut lines. If you have a template with 2 or 3 sections, you will need to change the color on each section. You then want to right click on your mouse and select Ungroup. That will allow you to be able to move each section. Before you start to move the sections though, you want to come back and regroup the dotted lines with the outer edges. Once you highlight that section, come over here and select Attach. That will allow you to move everything together. But you will need to do that for each section. If you happen to forget and you start to move and the dotted lines stay there, just select Undo and it will line it back up for you. And then you can highlight it and select Attach. Again, make sure you do that for the larger one also. If you have a template that pulls in with solid lines, again, we do not know why this happens, but something in the download and upload has changed it and the dotted lines did not get converted. So please send us an email or use our contact form, and again, we will resave the file and send you a new one. If you have a template and when it comes in, the black box is either at the top or somewhere in the middle and it's not at the bottom, what happens when you change that color, you'll see some of the dotted lines. This one's only showing 3 of them. Although the rest of them are there, you just cannot see them. So you want to right click your mouse, select Ungroup, click on the larger outside box, and then you'll have the option for Arrange, and you want to click Move to Back. That will move it completely to the back of the line so that all of the dotted lines appear in front of it. You then want to go in, since you had ungrouped it, re-highlight the whole thing, come back over here and select Attach so that if you go to move it, it all moves together. The other issue that is occurring occasionally is if you pull in a template and you get dotted lines that are in strange areas. Again, we do not know why this happens on some of the templates. If it should happen, email us or use the contact form and we will be more than happy to resave the file and send it to you again. These are just some of the things that we have found when using Cricut Design Space. Again, some of them will come in and they will be absolutely fine, other than changing this to a lighter shade. As long as the black box is down at the bottom, all of the dotted lines will be able to be seen. If the black box is anywhere else, you will need to ungroup it, arrange it, and move it to the back. You can also, if you do not want to mess with that, you can email us or use the contact form, and I can go in and redo the box so that this outer template is the very first thing put on the mat, and then all the dotted lines are on top of it, and then it will place it in the back so that the layers come in easier for you to use. One of the other options that you may choose to do, which is completely up to you, because Cricut has the option for a scoring tool, if you would like, you can come in and ungroup this and come in and change each one of these lines where it shows a cut. You can change those to a score line. So you can come back into here and change each one of the cut lines into a score line, and then instead of having the dotted cut lines, you can have a scoring line. If you unattached it, reattach it. Now you can change the lines without having to go in and ungroup it if you just wanted to do it directly from there. But if you wanted to do it individually or be able to move anything around, you would need to ungroup it. If you have any other questions or comments, or should find any other problems with our templates in Cricut Design Space, please email us at support@boxcuts.com or use our contact form so that we will be able to help everybody who needs any assistance with this program. Thank you very much and have a great day.